Welcome back, everyone. So, today we are on time. We got a time on our hand to properly analyze the chart. Let's get to the work. Okay, so really fair value gap, but it is bearish. I don't think it will reverse from here. It's not worth trading. GBP will mark the levels. Nothing in GBP. Euro. Euro is bearish. I can go for these lows. In 1 hour also it is bearish. Break of structure. Okay, not bad, not bad. Fair value gap. If it creates a fair value gap in 15 minutes, let me write it. Plan. Euro downside. 15-minute FVG. Then 3 minute or 1 minute. Let's see how it goes. 1 minute breakout structure. Okay, so it might not form a FVG, but still we have a order block. Okay, no FVG. Change of plan. 15-minute order block. Then 3 minute breakout structure, not 1 minute breakout structure. I don't think we will get a trade in GBP or Euro. AUD. It's sideways, went up, coming down. There is a potential for upside, but this also doesn't look good. Fifteen-minute order block. There is already an order block above, so I don't think I will trade this either. We already had 3 SL in the morning, so I should be cautious and take high probability trades only. I'll mark it down. I won't trade AUD, but what I see is upside, then sideways. It should continue for the upside. There's nothing much over here. 5 minute. It is bearish. This leg is bearish, but the overall trend is bullish, so it's a low probability trade, so let's avoid. Gold is bullish. Okay, continues. That's the thing. Gold moves. When it moves, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 green candle. That's not good. The best thing that can happen is this order block and fair value gap get. Okay, So bullish in gold, 1 hour fair value gap retest, then 3 minute breakout structure, or 1 minute, depending. What was that? Oh, so this was JPY. JPY bullish, 1 hour a fair value gap retest, then 3 minute breakout structure. Nice. Gold, our favorite. JPY 4 hour. Oh, JPY is uh, JPY is bullish. This is a very steep move. That's the worrying part, because there is no retracement. So if it were gold, then I might trade for continuation because gold moves fast. So it could still continue a little higher, but it's JPY. So if it happens, then I will go half quantity. 1 hour FVG and 3 minute breakout structure. Then gold. Gold is bullish. It would have been nice if it would have touched this fair value gap, daily fair value gap. Then it would have been a better upside, but it's still good. I should not over leverage and go with half quantity. The market isn't looking good. 1 hour. There is this range. It closes above this range. Okay. Is there a fair value gap? Yes, there is a fair value gap. That would be nice, because it is kind of manipulation. If it comes down, then people will look for sales, but it is just coming down for the fair value gap. There is one fair value gap near over here, 5 minute fair value gap. So gold, we are bullish. 15 or 5 minute FVG, and 1 minute breakout structure. NQ, the session that we are trading, I hope it's good, so we can at least get one trade. NQ is bullish. Yes, nice, bullish. This candle has no wick, showing strong sentiment, but overall trend is bullish, so we will look for buys. Where will we look for buys? 15 minute breakout structure. There is a fair value gap over here. It's a good and a bad thing at the same time, because people can see this fair value gap. So in smaller time frame, people can sell. The sellers will look for sales in this zone, but overall trend is bullish, so we will look for buys. Okay, so let me mark the fair value gap first because that's important. I can get a 5-minute breakout structure, but the confirmation comes when we get something above here. In 5 minute, a 5-minute candle can close above here, but then it can continue lower. So for confirmation, I need what should I do? 5 minute, then retest of this zone and then breakout. That's what I'll look for. We don't have too many charts to trade. JPY gold and we have 3 charts, but I don't think we will get trade in all of them. Guys, most of I know nobody is watching, but if you are watching, then what do you think? Should I keep my live as in English or in Hindi? My friend told that I should do it in Hindi. That would be better because I and him we both know that my English is not that good. So I told him that that's the thing. I am uncomfortable in English, that's why I am doing it in English. So I can improve. Yeah, there is a problem that I might not communicate well with you guys, but eventually, after all, right now we are no one and no one is watching. Let's do a recap. I think in GBP or Euro, I want my. It's not bad. This overall trend, you can see it's bearish. It's not bad for sales, but hmm, but the selling happened from here. So it's not like we have missed out. Pullback, continuation, retest, then it can continue. But I don't like that. I like to catch the start of the trend. I know I'm trading in the smaller time frame, but still, if higher confluence adds up, then it's higher probability. We'll keep an eye. We won't trade GBP. 15-minute order block, 3-minute breakout structure. Already tapped the order block. Now maybe I will half quantity. I don't want to risk too much. If it happens, okay. So new session is about to begin. I want a little manipulation. You already have a blue line. So let's see. AUD. Nah, I won't trade. What was the plan in NQ? Didn't write. Okay, it's going without filling that order block. Okay, so we will get a trade in gold once. Okay, I will. Yeah, guys, that was my ring light, or you can say flashlight. I've seen this before in gold. What was the plan? 1 minute break of structure. Okay, hasn't happened yet. Only one trade, I believe, because chippy. Oh man, nah, leave it. Was there any news? I didn't check. We'll get a trade in gold, or maybe not. Let's see when it closes above that swing. Right now, it looks bearish. That's good. If it sweeps this low in 1 minute and closes above this swing, then we can enter. If not, then good. We won't trade, won't lose money. It's better to not lose money. Oh, morning was brutal. 3 SL. There is no news, but NQ is moving, man. We'll get a trade in gold. What about JPY? I will check JPY in my other phone. 3 minute break of structure. Let's see. We might get a. Or maybe not. Gold is looks good. It will be awesome if it closes above this level. Then we can do what we planned for. It's in the fair value gap. 5 minutes. If it closes below this swing, then there is no point. Because and if it creates an IFVG, then maybe we won't trade today. We won't get any trades. JPY. JPY didn't come in the zone, and now it's moving. We won't trade if it does not come in the zone. I'll show you. Our plan was in JPY fill this gap FVG 1 hour FVG. Yeah, but it won't because it has not closed yet. There is still half an hour. I can buy this fair. I don't want to take any risky bets. There is still half an hour. It can close, then come down, then go up, and go in circles. Who cares? Okay, euro. Euro looks good. What was the plan? 15-minute order block. Okay, it came into the order block. There is a fair value. Okay, I will take a trade in euro in the 1 minute fair value gap. If it comes, I'm going with full quantity because I don't think I will get any trades in any other pair. I have a limit order over here. Let's see how it goes. Okay, as planned, gold looks good. I usually don't place limit orders, I trade on breakouts, but considering the risk, okay, gold. Two trades, one will in gold, the fair value gap, 1 minute fair value gap, same as euro. Gold doesn't retrace, that's the problem. Let's wait. The problem is that euro can give an entry, but gold moves 1 minute closer above that level and I will enter. Okay, I mean, I like the displacement over here in gold. Okay, so we in almost there. We will get a trade in euro, little bit more. There is a 1 hour fair value gap over here too. Fine. Okay, so we are in. This might hit SL because now there is a 1 minute fair. Fine, it's a good trade. We went with our plan. 3 minute order block. Change of character. What about 5 minute? This thing can be taken out. Yeah, this was a good trade. There was a fair. The new money concept. The problem is I might get swept, then it will move. The new session always manipulates first, then moves. It doesn't look good. My balance might. I won't take any more trades. There are no good trades available, or else I would have, but let's leave it here. So let's see. It looks like I will get a SL in. भाई मैं हिंदी में भी कर सकता हूँ, वैसे भी कोई देख नहीं रहा है, सो आप ही जज कर लो, मैं ही जज कर लेता हूँ. हाउ इज माई हिंदी? आई शुड स्पीक इंग्लिश, हिंदी प्लस इंग्लिश. और मेरी आदत है कि मैं दोनों मिक्स करने में थोड़ा मुश्किल पड़ता है मुझे. अब जब तक ओके, लेट मी शो यू द ट्रेड्स. ये रहे लाइव ट्रेड्स जो मैंने ओपन पोजीशन चार्ट्स में भी दिखा देते हैं ना. दिस इज द लाइन एसएल. ओके, है ना? या ये देख लो 1 मिनट में. Here is the SL, entry, and euro. Hmm. Oh, I got stopped out. Euro में SL, fine, no issue. Okay, order block, order block. The last, oh, I don't know why this glitches every time. क्या problem है trading view को? Does he know that I am exploiting it by using two windows? Right now our balance is almost 2%. So you can see 2% down from yesterday. I was around 4% yesterday. If this if this hits TP, then we'll be in between, somewhere around 3%, 3.5. Do you guys wanna see the ring light? Here is the ring light. Now I might look a little more handsome. So I thought I should right now, so I should end the video and I should add the result in the end. There is no reason to wait. You can skip to the ending for the results if you don't want to. And easy for me because editing takes time. I'm not good at editing. We'll learn. How far can gold move? Okay, it can. My target is here a little above those swing. I can give a breakout. Yes. You can skip to the end. Okay, so because it can reverse from here also. Be in the zone. This it's a. I have traded this pattern before. It works well when there is a bigger trend line and there is a smaller trend line. So this range breakout proves this range. I will show you actually. I don't think you are here, but if you are, then you will get more insights. Where is ascending triangle? Yeah, where is gold? Yeah, over here. This is gold. You see, this is the higher time frame. 1 hour. You can see that it was in this zone in the higher time frame. If you are watching this, then consider yourself lucky to get this insight. Here is the triangle, ascending triangle. The problem with this triangle is you don't know when it will gonna break down. It could have come down here, then went up again, then again, because when will the breakout happen? Nobody knows. In the end, in between, but this, the lower, smaller time frame breakdown, that acts as a confirmation. So that's what we traded today. So I hope, like, I will show you one more where it didn't work. Where is the another ascending triangle? I write all this in my notebook, so I have stopped writing them. It is one of these SLs, JPY. Where is JPY? Okay, so it might be this one. This one, I haven't even selected the pair over here. Executed, but check plan and result. Okay, this, where is JPY? This can be the one, same for all. Hmm. Guys, this is something I've worked really hard. Okay, so if you are watching this, then be grateful a little. Yeah, I am not profitable, but still a good trades are good trades, good insights are good insights. It was JPY or something, I don't remember. Well, when I make a video in one take, then it's easy, nothing to edit, just post. So, like you can see, the morning video, it's not more than 20 minutes long because I edited the parts where nothing was happening. There's a very good chance we will hit a TP in this one. See the breakout structure over here, it closed above this level, retest and should continue. But if it does not, then it was a good trade. Let me check my book. I have written. I have too many notes to, actually it's meaningless if you don't analyze it again. So I'll have to take few hours to just figure out what I have done so far. Over here it is. November 3rd. Hmm. Did I forgot to channel? November 3rd was, what was the date? Monday. Yeah, I might have over traded on that day, so it must be still on charts. November 3rd. Yeah, okay. Over here, November 3rd. Somewhere here, what was the plan? Ascending 5-minute breakout structure. Early entry in 1 minute breakout structure. You might not see here, but there is a 5-minute breakout structure. You can see this pullback up, down. That this has to be a breakout structure, but it didn't work. I got swept still in the range. Eventually, you can see it didn't work. There is one right trade over here. This zone breakout. Okay, you would have gotten 1:3 over here too. Let me check this smaller time frame breakout, and see 1:3. So this setup, it's amazing so far that I have traded. And it reversed, that's another story. Actually should have gone for these highs over here, but fine. Mm. Now, like as we planned, 1 hour candle, still there is time for closer. We are done. This is our last trade. How long? So far it has been 30 minutes video. I don't wanna make it a too long video, so let's end this. Okay, now it's moving. I know no one is watching, but one day when I will get my first payout, then I hope some of you will come back and watch this, because I know there are channels who are far better than me, who are profitable, who are successful. So yes, you are right to think that why to watch me than watching them. Yes, you should watch them. The difference between them and me is that I am one of you. I have never got a payout. I am just like you. I have losses. So the day I get my first payout, this is you will have a recorded data to see that yes, one of you got profitable. How? Like this. Because other people who are YouTubers profitable, this most of them started posting video when they became profitable. And that's a good thing because they knew that they can do it. They are successful, then they can provide knowledge. I'm not here to give knowledge. This is just me and what I do every day with a camera on. That's all. No subscriber is needed, no money is fine. The only money that matters is that I make from trading. Other thing like subscriber, like paid promotion, those are secondary. I'm not a YouTuber, I'm a trader first. And this might be a good content eventually. So I got a call, so I'm ending the stream. Thank you for watching, and I will update what happened of the trade.